Tired of Cloudflare's blinding white dashboard burning your eyes? Switch to dark mode in under 30 seconds with these simple steps. I'll show you exactly where to click to enable dark mode. Just follow these 4 quick steps. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. This part's pretty straightforward. Just head over to the Cloudflare website and sign in with your usual credentials. You probably already have this page bookmarked if you're managing domains or security settings. Once you're in, you'll see that familiar bright white interface we're about to fix. But before we get to that, just make sure you're fully logged in and on the main dashboard. That's where everything starts. Now, once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. See that little icon? That's your profile icon. It might be your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that. This is the gateway to all your personal account settings, not just the appearance options. You'll get a drop-down menu popping up with several choices. And here's the really important part. You're looking for a specific item in that list. Don't click the first thing you see. Take a moment to scan the options. From that drop-down menu, find the Appearance option. Now, don't click it yet. Just hover your mouse over it. When you do, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. This is where Cloudflare keeps all the visual customization settings. You'll see a few different choices here. There's the default system setting, which follows your computer's theme, and then there are the manual options. The menu is pretty clean and easy to navigate. Just hold your cursor steady over the appearance text until that side menu appears. Finally, select dark mode from the appearance settings. And just like that, you're done. Click that option and watch the whole dashboard transform. The bright white background changes to a much more comfortable dark gray with white text. All the menus, the navigation bars, the graphs, everything switches over. It looks sleek and professional. And the best part is, it takes effect instantly. No saving, no confirming, no waiting for a page reload. It just happens right then and there. And there you have it. Your Cloudflare dashboard is now in dark mode. That took maybe 10 seconds total. I'm RenderTest, and this guide was put together to make your life just a little bit easier during those long configuration sessions. No more squinting, no more eye strain. Just a comfortable, dark interface that's much easier on the eyes. Give it a try and see how much of a difference it makes. Happy managing!